Welcome to our channel. If you need to see a specialist without a referral, follow these step-by-step instructions to access specialized medical care. Step 1. Check your insurance plan's requirements. Some plans, like HMOs, require referrals for specialists, while PPOs and POS plans often allow direct specialist access. Step 2. Review your insurance policy or call member services to verify if you can see specialists without referrals. Ask specifically about the type of specialist you need. Step 3. Search for in-network specialists using your insurance company's online directory. This ensures you'll receive maximum coverage for the visit and any recommended treatments. Step 4. Contact the specialist's office directly to schedule an appointment. Inform them you don't have a referral and confirm they can see you without one under your insurance plan. Step 5. Gather your medical records and test results relevant to your condition. Bring these to your specialist appointment to provide necessary background information. Step 6. Prepare a list of current medications, symptoms, and questions for the specialist. This helps make the most of your appointment time. Step 7. Verify coverage before your appointment. Call your insurance company to confirm the specialist is in network and that your plan covers the visit without a referral. Step 8. Understand that while you may not need a referral from your insurance, the specialist may request medical records from your primary care doctor to better understand your health history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.